Secret $3 bottle stops engine leaks permanently. A petroleum-based ester compound costing about $3 per application restores degraded rubber seals in engines by penetrating the material and reversing plasticizer loss, causing volumetric swell of 8 to 22% within 24 to 72 hours to eliminate oil, coolant, and transmission leaks. The compound was developed in 1953 by Harold Briggs in Akron, Ohio, to fix leaking hydraulic seals in industrial systems without disassembly. It restores nitrile, neoprene, silicone, fluorocarbon, polyacrylate, and other automotive seal materials without causing brittleness or damage at proper concentrations. Independent studies, 2009 Society of Tribologists and Lubrication Engineers, 2014 University of Michigan, confirm full or partial dimensional restoration in tested seal materials after 1 or 2 treatments. Commercial stop leak products often contain the same ester chemistry but at lower concentrations, creating temporary slowdowns rather than permanent restoration, leading to repeat purchases. Application steps: identify leak type, oil, dark/black under engine, coolant, colored/sweet smelling under front, transmission, reddish under center/rear. Purchase ester-based elastomer conditioner/seal reconditioner, not branded stop leak, with petroleum distillate/ester in top ingredients, $2.50 for 8 ounces bottle. With cold engine, pour full 8 ounces bottle into oil filler, or appropriate reservoir for transmission/coolant systems. Run engine to operating temperature, 15 to 20 minutes idle. Drive normally for 24 hours. Check for leak cessation with paper test overnight. The automotive repair industry generates over $47 billion annually, much from recurring leak repairs quoted at $400 $1,500. Permanent $3 fixes threaten this model, leading to suppression through complex language, certification requirements, and exclusion from consumer guidance.